I'm so happy and relieved to see that my winged beans actually survived Hurricane Milton, and I'm getting new winged beans just 2 weeks after the hurricane. I'm amazed that this plant, it didn't even lose any leaves. You couldn't even really tell that it had gone through a hurricane, and we got winds around 90 miles per hour, some major gusts. I was sure I was gonna lose these vines, but the stems are really thick and apparently very strong. Here's the view from the other side of the trellis. You can see a lot more of the leaves from this side. And that's my house right there, which these vines are on the south side of my house. So I think the house blocked a lot of the wind because the wind from Hurricane Milton was coming in from the northeast mostly, but I mean, it was a violent storm and the wind was coming all over. On the other side of my house, there's like 50 trees down. So it's pretty amazing that these vines are just, they seem untouched. It's like nothing ever happened. You would never know a hurricane came through here 2 weeks ago. Here's some video I took of my winged beans that I was harvesting the day before Hurricane Milton came through. I had a really nice harvest of winged beans that day. I filled a whole gallon bag, and I took the video because they were looking so good, and it was my first harvest of the season, and I was sure that it was also going to be the last harvest of the season because I was quite sure that Hurricane Milton was going to rip those plants to shreds and there would be nothing left. So I was lamenting that I was only going to get one harvest from my winged beans, but lo and behold, these vines are just fine, strong, plenty of leaves, and they're producing more beans. And I love winged beans, so I'm really happy. So I just want to share that I would definitely recommend these beans. They taste good and they're nutritious and they grow well in our climate. So I would recommend to anyone to try growing them.